Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 5, Lesson 6. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to create composite shapes from three-dimensional shapes and describe the composite shape using shape names and positions. Well, first, let's look at this composite shape that we made. Now I can tell that there is two rectangular prisms. Well, I know that these are rectangular prisms because they have all of them are rectangular faces. Even though this one right here looks like it might be a square, but you know that a square can also be a rectangle. Then at the bottom, I see that these are cylinders because it has one curved face and it has two flat circular faces. Each of them do. So I know that those two are cylinders. Now we have this question up here that says, what's wrong about the structure? Well, you have to think about if you actually built this. Think about what could happen. Well, I know that a cylinder has a curved face. And the cylinders right now on the structure is kind of like on its curved face. Well, whenever it's on a curved face, it's going to roll. So the problem with this structure is that this can roll off to make it to where it makes this structure very hard to keep in position without someone holding it. So this is what is wrong with this structure. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.